As a long-time Windows user, I was initially hesitant to switch to Linux. However, after experiencing numerous issues with my computer, I finally decided to take the plunge and switch to Linux. One of the main reasons I switched to Linux was due to the constant updates and system crashes that came up when using Windows 11. I found that updates were much less frequent with Linux and my system was more stable overall. This allowed me to focus on my work without worrying about my computer crashing or needing constant updates. Another big factor was privacy and security. Windows has been known to collect user data and send it back to Microsoft, which made me feel uneasy about using that operating system. With Linux, I felt much more control of my personal information and felt safer online. Linux is designed to be more secure than Windows, which means that I was much less susceptible to viruses and malware. This gave me peace of mind and allowed me to use my computer without worrying about my privacy being compromised or my system being infected. Moreover, I was attracted to Linux open source nature. This allowed me to access the source code of the operating system. This gave me the freedom to create a system that was tailored to my specific needs. On the other hand, Windows is closed source, which means that I had limited control over the operating system. Furthermore, Linux has a vast range of free software that is available to users, making it very cost effective. I have been able to find many programs that are equivalent or even better than the Windows softwares. Another benefit of Linux is that it is much less resource intensive than Windows. Linux is designed to be lightweight, which means that it can run on older hardware and still perform well. Linux resource efficiency means that it's much faster than Windows, which makes it a great choice for people who value speed and efficiency. In summary, my switch to Linux has been a positive experience that has greatly improved my productivity, online safety, and overall computing experience. If you are considering to switch to Linux, I strongly recommend to give it a try. Now I am using MX Linux, which is the most customer-friendly Linux OS out there. See you in the next video.